In this video, we'll take a look at the discussion boards, and we'll see how those are set up. The discussion boards will be used for one assignment in this course, and that is the essay question, preparing for the essay question on root and branch. What the students will do will be posting on a discussion board to present their definition of the word prejudice. Each individual student will put out a definition on their discussion board with the other members of their group to participate in that discussion. Now, to make it simple, I want to set up 3 discussion boards for this course. I've already set the boards up, but you have to assign the students to those discussion boards. And this is a 2-step process. First, you establish 3 groups of 10 students each. And then you assign those 3 groups, each of the 3 groups, to the correct discussion board. So let's see how that's done. If you go up to the top of the page, you'll see groups. And if you click on groups, you see that I've already established group 1, group 2, and group 3. We'll keep it down to 3 groups to make it simple. So if you have a class of 30 students, there'll be 10 students in each group. If you click on group 1, you have the possibility of enrolling users. And when you click on enroll users, you will see a list of your students' names. Now, you don't see a list of students here because this is a build section of the course and we don't have any students enrolled in it. But in your course, you would see a list of students and you would be able to click on, say, the first 10 names. They should be in alphabetical order. And you will then be able to save this group list to this particular group. So you would, at that point, you would have populated group 1 with the first 10 students in the course by alphabetical order. You do the same things for group 2, group 3. You click on group 2 and you click on enroll users, and you would click on 10 student names, the next set of 10. And you do the same with group 3. Then you go to the discussions. So let's click on discussions. As you can see, I've already set up the boards, group 1, group 2, group 3. But you have to assign the correct group to the correct discussion board. So you click on edit topic and you click on restrictions and you say restrict this topic to the following groups, and you click on add group and you would click on group 1. Group 1 would be assigned to the first discussion board, and then you would save and close that. You would then assign group 1 to this discussion board so that when a student clicks on this link, they will be able to access it if they're one of those 10 students. And only those 10 students can see the discussion that unfolds in that group. Once again, you have to assign group 2 to this discussion board. You would click edit topic, go to restrictions, and then restrict the topic to group 2, and then you would add that. Now, under properties for the discussion board, you can unlock the topic for a certain length of time. That means that students can post to the board during the time frame that you establish here. This is something you're going to have to establish because the default is lock. In this case, it's unlock. It may be lock in your case, so you'd have to unlock it. After the discussion is over, if you don't want students to continue posting to the board, you would click lock topic. Or again, you can unlock it for a specific date frame, and in which case it would automatically close at the end of the date frame. That's basically it. Once you've done that, it should be a simple matter for students to click on their group. They'll only see the group to which they've been assigned. So that's even more nice because it means that they are not going to get lost. When they click on discussion board, they'll go directly to the group they're assigned to. They won't see the other 2 groups, and all 10 members of the same group will be in the same situation. So that's basically it. And if you have any questions, send me an email.